Hello guys, my name is Faraz, one of the doctors working here in Queensland, Australia. So if you are a GMC registered doctor and you are planning to move in any of the country of world from the UK, including Australia or rest of the countries, definitely you will be in need of the certificate of good standing from the GMC. Please keep in mind, recently GMC has changed the name of the certificate of good standing to CCPS. That is Certificate of Clinical and Professional Skills, CCPS. In this video, I am going to take you through the whole process, how you can request a certificate of good standing, that is CCPS, from the GMC website. And yes, it's totally free. So let's go to the laptop screen and I will let you know about everything.
Open any of the browser and write over here GMC Online, and you will click on the first link, Doctor Guide to GMC. You have to log into the GMC Online account, and you can enter your GMC number. You can write your password and click on the sign in button. When you will sign in the GMC Online account, here we go. You can see this is my GMC account page, Dr. Ahmed. You can see over here in few seconds it will open. So now we have to focus. Welcome Dr. Faraz Ahmed to GMC Online account. So after that we have to focus on the left hand side of this screen. In the left hand side you can see home, you can see my details, you can see my fees, you can see my registration, my ID checks and my revalidation. So we are going to request the good standing certificate. We have to focus on the my registration. In my registration you can see there are three options: my application, my CCPS request, and my registered status. So my CCPS request is basically a good standing certificate. We have to click on the my CCPS request page, and when we will select over here, this page will open in front of you. This is nothing important mention. If you want to read, you can come down. You can see over here I have already requested one CCPS, that is good standing certificate, but I am going to request again just to show you people. So you can see over here request a CCPS, and you have to select this request button. When you will click over here, it will take you to next page. First of all, you have to select the country. For country you need good standing certificate, Australia, and then select the next button. So in Australia you have the AFRA, and AFRA is basically state wise. Wherever you have got the job in Australia, I got job in Queensland, Brisbane, so I am gonna search for the Queensland, Afra Queensland. Once I will find from the list, I will select Afra Queensland over here. Here we go. This is the Australian Health Practitioner Regulatory Authority, Queensland. I have selected that and come down and request the CCPS. So once you will request the CCPS, it will take you to the next page, and you can see we will review your request and confirm within 10 working days that we have either sent the good standing certificate, or we will inform you with the more information. Select next button over here, and here we go. You can see I have already selected once, and second one I requested just to show you people. So that's all about today's video. If you have any question, you can ask in comments, or you can directly message me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video.